This is weird. I just parked at the parking garage at the airport, and we're not here for a medical trip.
People do that?
Who are you? Who are we?
I think we're still the traveling husbands.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Well, wait, why? So we're at the airport. We're not doing a medical trip. This has nothing to do with your hip. We're actually going on vacation for our anniversary.
Oh, where?
We're going to Seattle.
We're going to really try to actually go to Seattle.
And as we park here at Phoenix, Phoenix is trying to be Seattle. It's cold, windy, and rainy right now. It always seems to rain when we're at Sky Harbor. But anyway, all right, let's go head into the airport.
Okay, I need a coat.
And you need a wheelchair, and you need all of the disability accommodations that you use.
I'm getting better.
You are. All right, we're just hanging out at the gate because we're always early. It's kind of, our thing. Easy enough for you to, you're in a wheelchair right now.
Yeah.
Easy enough to get through and do everything. Like, I have to say, one of the things that we've learned traveling with you, airports can be very, very, very accommodating if you are clearly signifying you have a disability and you're patient. Like, they will always,
Be nice.
It makes a big difference. So, off to Seattle.
Yay.
Did it. We're here. I think we're here. We're almost there.
All right, we made it to what actually is our new favorite hotel from London, but the Citizen M.
Oh, yeah.
And we're just heading out to go get some dinner now and hear all the seagulls.
Yes, there's seagulls. And, yeah.
It smells like water.
Water and wacky tobacco.
Fair enough.